In India, one plant is worshipped as a goddess, cherished as medicine, and grown in every home. Meet Tulsi, the queen of herbs with 5,000 years of healing power. Let's explore its history, Ayurvedic secrets, and modern uses. In this video, know about Tulsi in detail by watching till the end with no skipping. History and cultural significance. Tulsi, or holy basil, is native to India and revered in Hinduism as an incarnation of goddess Lakshmi. Ancient texts like the Charaka Samhita, 3000 BCE, describe it as the elixir of life for its power to purify mind, body, and spirit. Families grow it in courtyards for protection and blessings. Ayurvedic benefits. In Ayurveda, Tulsi is a rasayana, a rejuvenating herb. It's packed with adaptogens, fights stress and boosts immunity. Eugenol, natural painkiller and anti-inflammatory. Antioxidants, detoxify the liver and skin. Traditionally, it treats coughs, fevers, and even diabetes. Modern science backs Tulsi. Today, science confirms what Ayurveda knew. Studies show Tulsi. According to a study by NCBI, it lowers cortisol, stress hormone, by 39%. Fights respiratory infections. NASA even recommends it for air purification. No wonder global brands sell Tulsi teas, oils, and supplements. How to use Tulsi daily? Do you want Tulsi's benefits? Then, try these. Tulsi tea, steep fresh leaves and ginger for immunity. Chew raw leaves on an empty stomach for detox. Essential oil relieves headaches and sinusitis. Face pack, mix with honey for glowing skin. Avoid in pregnancy. And even excess blood thinning also. From ancient prayers to modern medicine, Tulsi remains India's green gold. Will you add it to your routine? Drop a comment. If you love Tulsi, hit like button. Follow for more Ayurvedic secrets and subscribe for more.